Good morning, Mr. Alatorre. My name is Julie Gaskins. I'm giving the informative speech for Limestone College. Good morning, everyone. My name is Julie Gaskins. I'm the Center Director here at Edgemore Head Start. Today I'll be talking on the topic of the importance of oral health in children. When you start talking about oral health, you think about your pretty smile. You want to talk about things that affect your health, because poor oral health reflects your body. It affects heart. It can cause heart disease, diabetes, respiratory ailments, and actually premature and low birth weights in babies. And according to the University of Iowa, the College of Dentistry, it actually says teeth are important for many reasons. They're important because you're chewing food. They're important to develop your bone muscles in your mouth and your teeth. It actually helps with speaking. They're important for when you talk. It actually helps with your pretty smile. You don't want to see somebody with their teeth not being taken care of. It actually helps with when your teeth, your baby teeth are coming in, your permanent teeth, they're making room for your permanent teeth. So you want to make sure you take care of your teeth every day. And we have our dietary habits that we have, our likes, our dislikes. Most of them are actually formed when we're, by the time we're 2 years old. And guess who? The parents are the ones that have the most influence over what kind of snacks you give your children. So, when you're giving children snacks, be careful not to give them sugary snacks, especially snacks that they're chewy because they stay in their teeth a lot longer, and then cavities are going to form, and then you're going to start having tooth decay. Sugary snacks, they're loaded with fat. There are no calories. You don't want to give your child these snacks, so be aware of what you're giving your children. Actually, when your mouth is actually full of bacteria, invisible germs, that when you put sugar, it forms plaque. The bacteria actually forms plaque, and then when you put the sugar in your mouth, the plaque is absorbing it, and it's actually forming like an acid. And this acid is eating away on the enamel of your teeth. And when your enamel is, ruined, you get cavities. And you don't want that. So whenever you are choosing snacks, you need to think about choosing foods that are good for you. Things like fresh fruit and raw vegetables. You can have oranges, berries, cucumbers, celery, carrots. You can have grains, bread, pretzels, unsweetened cereal. So you don't have to give them that sweetened cereal because it's not good for them. Also, you want to give them the milk and the dairy products, low-fat milk, sugar, cheeses. They don't need all that fat. The low fat is really good for them. And the meats, nuts, and cheeses, or the meats, nuts, and seeds. You got chicken, pumpkin, any kind of pumpkin seeds, nuts, turkey. Those are good for you. And then you can actually have like pizza and taco, because they kind of combine a lot of these right here. And according to the American Journal of Public Health, they recommend you bring your child to the dentist by the time they're 1 year old. They can help you. Even though your child is beginning to get teeth, you need to help clean them. And they can help you with cleaning. They'll advise you about flossing your child's teeth. They will actually, they can help you get a preventative program already started when they're about 1 year old. So, when you're doing that, you want to make sure that you're brushing properly. They recommend a toothbrush. Throw it away every 3 to 4 months. Actually, you need to never use a hard toothbrush because the bristles can actually damage your gums and they can damage your teeth. I'm famous for that because I always use a hard toothbrush, and that's not good for you. Also, you want to make sure that you're brushing in a gentle, like a circular motion, because the tips of the brush are what's actually cleaning your teeth, so you don't want to push down too hard. Brush thoroughly at least 1 time a day, and make sure you do it before bedtime and snacks and after you eat meals. Here are the nutritional facts for Pop-Tarts and crackers. And as you can see, these facts these are on most of the food you see. So you want to stay away from fats and the sugar. And I would pick crackers to be the best snack, because you are the one that's going to be working with these children. Think of the things that they're putting into their mouths every day, because these are going to form lifelong habits, of eating. And you want to make sure they brush their teeth regularly, and who else better than the teachers themselves. Thank you.
Yeah.